Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS DMS for migrating operational data to Redshift. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Database Migration Service dashboard. Select the Create Migration option. Choose Database Migration from the options provided. In the Source Database section, choose the database engine you are migrating from. Provide the connection details for your source database. Enter the necessary credentials for accessing your source database. Next, select the target database as Amazon Redshift. Specify the Amazon Redshift cluster you want to migrate your data into. Input the details of the Redshift database, including the username and password. Ensure that the IAM role you select has the necessary permissions to access both the source and target databases. Proceed to configure the replication instance. Choose the instance class based on your data load requirements. Select the storage size that aligns with your migration needs. Launch the replication instance. Once the instance is available, navigate to the Tasks section. Create a new migration task for your source and target databases. Select the migration type, either Migrate Exist. Confirm the selected schemas and tables you want to migrate. Review the task settings and ensure everything is configured correctly. Click on the Create Task button to initiate the migration. Monitor the task progress on the AWS DMS dashboard. Check for any migration errors in the task logs if the process does not complete successfully. Once the migration is complete, validate the data in your Amazon Redshift cluster. Verify the data integrity and consistency by comparing it with the source database. Configure any additional settings in Redshift as needed for your operational data usage. Finally, document the migration process for future reference and audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.